welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together some lovely couscous and anchovies bites. This is a lovely toddler meal or a savory snack or even an appetizer for grown-ups. Anchovies are such a wonderful source of omega-3 fatty acids that they are essential to your baby and kids' brain development. That's why anchovies are a lovely addition in your baby and kids' diet. Let's start together this super tasty recipe. First thing to do, we are going to simply prepare our couscous. We're going to fill a pot with the water and we're going to bring the water to boil. When the water is boiling, we're going to turn the heat off. We're going to add the extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, not for babies under 1 year, and the couscous. We're going to stir, cover with a lid, and simply let it cook for 5 minutes. That's it. That is how simple it is to prepare couscous. When the couscous is ready, we are going to transfer it in a nice bowl. In a large bowl, we are going to add the anchovies and mash them with a wooden spoon to create a paste. Add the minced parsley and mix. Add the couscous and combine very well. Let's add the egg white and the scamorza cheese grated. And then add the Parmesan cheese and the breadcrumbs. Mix again. Take 1 tablespoon of mix in your hands, squeeze it, and create a nice compact ball. Place the ball on the parchment paper and keep creating the tiny balls up until you will have finished the couscous mix. Drizzle a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on top and bake the couscous and anchovies bites in the preheated oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. This is a super yummy snack for your older kids or a toddler meal. I really hope your kids are going to like this recipe like mine did. And we are going to see each other next week with another recipe from BuonaPappa. Remember to subscribe if you want to receive every week a new recipe from me. And if you're looking for similar recipes, simple, check the links here below. Ciao, ciao, ciao!